Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this gold and yellow cut crease rhinestone makeup look. To start this look, we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette for the shade Eccentric, which is a golden brown shade. And we're going to use this to start the cut crease shape. Once I have the shape that I want, I add more color and blend it out. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia palette for the Marigold yellow shade. Next, with makeup remover and Q-tips, I'll be cutting the crease and removing any excess eyeshadow. Next, I'll be going over that area with the Loreal Infallible Concealer. Here I'm making a kind of side wing shape. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Nudes palette for the light sparkly gold shade, and I'm putting this in the inner corners. Then, using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, I'm going to be using the yellowish gold shade on the outer corners. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. Next, I'll be adding rhinestones. First, I add larger amber colored rhinestones kind of right along the cut crease. I'm not using any particular pattern, but I do want them to be more condensed right around the cut crease and then sort of flare out and kind of disperse. I'm also using larger rhinestones right along the cut crease and getting smaller as I kind of go outwards. So for the rhinestones, I'm using sort of an amber kind of orangish yellow color and regular yellow. And that completes this yellow and gold rhinestone cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.